Well, it fits. Oh yeah, it fits. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. You know me, I'm Tom out here on the off-grid farm. And have I been busy? Oh yeah. Look what I've done. Oh yeah, put the roof tint on today. Now this whole package, of course, cost me quite a bit, and I'll run down the total costs on it. And I still got, these are 12-foot pieces, and I would have had to order custom pieces of 12/6, but I didn't want to do that. It was too much of a hassle driving all over trying to find a company on a Sunday that'll sell this stuff. So I just went to Lowe's, took my military discount. There was a little damage on them, so I got another $5 per sheet off. There's 8 sheets on the top of 12 footers, and they come over to the edge nicely because I staggered them out from the edge this way first. So there you go, all the way down. And man, talk about being in the shade. I love this. Oh, yep, got the whole roof done. Done, except for that little overlap strip that I've got to just take 2 pieces and cut them down to 30-inch sections and then just screw them up. And then I'll have an overlap like this. See? There's 2 pieces up there. It gives me what I want, and then I've got to do it all the way down. And you're probably wondering, uh-oh, are you ready? That's right. I even got 70% of the siding done too. Want to see it? Let's look at it. I'm missing 4 pieces. But here we go. The big reveal. There you go. Woohoo! Nice. And of course, I'm going to run in some more cut sections from the top and bring them down here. I might even do them in another color. Kind of break it up and make it look kind of cool. I like to do it in like a black. That would really look sharp. And just do that 30 inches right there and just overlap them to right about in there to wherever that first 2x4 runs across that bracing, and tack it in right there. Black would look cool. Everything's tying in. Of course, there's a grade. Like I said, I could have graded this thing, but I didn't want to go through all that. So I'm just following the level line on the bottom of the skirting there, of the sheathing. And that still looks good. It looks balanced. You want it nice and straight looking. So I got the overhang. It's looking good. It'll protect a little bit. Plus I've got these up in here. Now I got an alley. Oh yeah, I got an alley. This is like in New York City, a little small alley. When I get it all sheathed up here, only one person can come through here at a time. That's right. It's called the kill alley right through here. You get in here, you get killed. Oh yeah, my little 30-foot alley. That's turned out good. Let's see if we can get it from another perspective. There we go. See, and I just got to fill in those pieces right over there. Just cut them to where they go to that first rafter board and go all the way across, and then just button that up. And then of course I'm gonna do something here. Not sure if I'm gonna use tin or not, but we'll see. That turned out okay. Now, cost. I'm exactly at $1,690. $1,690. Now my labor was free. So they said they'd put theirs up for $2,200 and only put, you know, one piece going across there. And it was an aluminum building. 3 guys could put it up in 2.5 hours. This has taken me 4 days. Working on it in 100-degree plus weather. That's right. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody appreciates me working in all this heat just to bring you a pole barn building video. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it though. God, to come in here, it's like a different world. And see, this is a place, I never had a big enough parking spot like this to bring, just pull my truck in. Of all things, you know, just get it out of the freaking weather, because it always sat outside here because I'm using all the available space I already got. So that is the method behind this madness. And of course, we got Isis, the storm, coming up the East Coast. I booked a exterior renovation job, but I have to postpone them till Thursday because I don't know what's going to happen Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday around here. Supposed to get 6 inches of rain. So there we go. We got that pole barn building. And now we got this one here. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm actually put the van in here tonight when I go back to Raleigh. There she is. What do you think, guys? Like I said, I got a lot of little stuff to do to it now. You know, just a lot of little stuff. And button this whole, you know, upper trim up, you know, and stuff like that. Okay. The camera's starting to get hot. It's hot out here, but hopefully it's still on. Leave those opinions. What do you think? Comments. Like, share, subscribe, thumbs up. All that good stuff. That's right, guys. 4 days to get this thing up. And everything's pretty, like I said, I'm off half an inch. Big deal. You know, other than that, everything's cool. Turned out good. Looks good. It's pretty. It's coming, you know, out the way I expected it. Let's say that. Okay, love you guys. Y'all stay blessed. Tom out of here. You know what to do. That's right, the van's got a new parking space under the cover. Leave those comments. Let me know what you think, guys. And I think it ties into the house nicely too.